Hi there! You'll be happy to know that recently your channel scored 2 million views. Thank you very much for your support. Want a centerpiece at the dining table? Why not bake a twisted herb bread with garlic filling? It looks fancy, tastes delicious, but is quite easy to make. You'll be able to bake it like a pro. Let's get going. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? For the egg replacer, I am using flax seeds. I'll grind them, store it in the fridge in a jar. To make the replacer for 1 egg, add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 3 tablespoons of water, mix well and keep it aside. This is after a couple of minutes. Just see how it has thickened up. For the dough, 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add a bit of salt to it. Mix it in. Add in about 50 grams of butter. And just rub it in. That's it. Add in 3/4 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, a teaspoon of instant yeast. Mix it all together. Let's add in the flax egg and about half a cup of lukewarm milk. Mix it well. Add in more milk. So that's about 3/4 cups of milk in all. And it's coming together. Time to get it out onto the work surface. With everyone baking at home these days, the shops in my locality have run out of baking powder and yeast. Light dusting of flour and knead it till it's smooth and easy to handle. Oil the bowl and keep the dough. Cover it and keep it in a warm place till it becomes double in size. Now for a mixture, I have half a cup of thinly sliced onions, half a cup of pickled olives chopped up finely, a tablespoon of garlic pickle. Just give that a quick mix and keep it aside. The dough has risen very well. It took just 40 minutes for it to double up in size. It's summers here, that helps. So punch the dough and take it out. Shape it into a rectangle. This is about 1/4 inch thick. Now time to add in the mixture we prepared. Spread it out all over. That's it. Some processed cheese that I cut into cubes. It's time to roll it up lengthwise. I have dusted my fingers with a bit of flour and let's roll it up. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Make sure that it's a tight roll and just pinch to seal it. When you reach the end, I'll transfer it onto my baking tray. Just leave a gap at one end and cut it in half all the way through. There. Now to braid it, lift one end, cross it over, filling side up, cross it over, filling side up, cross it over, filling side up, and that's how you go. Just shift it to the middle, pinch the loose ends. So leave a gap in the middle and just tuck it in, arrange it as best as you can, and let it rise a second time for half an hour. It's been about 20 minutes and the second rise is done. Time to take it to the oven. Bake it at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'll check at the 15-minute mark. Just got it out. That's baked beautifully. Just love the color. Do you hear the hollow sound? Now I checked at the 15-minute mark and baked it for about 25 minutes. To finish it off, brush it with some honey. That not only adds the glaze, but another layer of flavor. Love it. Place it onto a board to serve. Look at the soft and moist bread inside. Serve the bread with a curry or a baked casserole, or have it just as it is. Enjoy!